How to fix audio cutting out on Discord. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure that you have the latest version of the Discord application. As you can see on the screen, there's the option of update, which means we have the update available and we can just tap on update and we can start updating the app to its latest version. After getting it updated, what you can simply do is make a long press on the Discord application and then tap on App Info. Now, as you tap on App Info, it will lead you to a new page where you'll be able to see the option of Clear Data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on Clear Data and then tap on Clear Cache and OK. Then what you can do is tap on App Permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the options, especially the microphone over here and files and media, so that you can have the issue of audio cutting being solved. After that, go back and tap on launching the Discord application again and this might fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.